Said she wanna dance, but she don't know how to. Oh, happy New Year, guys! Happy New Year. Anyway, it was my friend's birthday, so I took her out on a little staycation. I'm just gonna show you a house tour of this beautiful Airbnb. It's called the Living Collective. It is in the Garlington Estate in Hilton. It is absolutely beautiful. So this is us just driving in. You'll see the video. It is so this luscious house has 3 sitting areas. It has 4 bedrooms. I'm gonna show you around. It's so beautiful. I will leave a link down if you wanna book, but it's absolutely beautiful. I wish I had made shorts instead of a full video, but I just wanted to show you everything and just how amazed I was. I don't know if I'm gonna share details of my staycation there, but today I had a very good time. It's very beautiful, and yeah, just look around.
Taking you in this moment, come get close like you own name. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burdens, it's been me you'll be searching. Take a load off and your clothes off, just relax, you deserve it. You keep me up tonight, got you all on my mind. Seem like that's hard to find when they keep playing games. Gazing into my eyes, give me them butterflies. Take me from low to highs, what you hear every day. Can't get enough. You get me stuck. I'm more than a snack, I'll be your dinner. Got nothing to lose cause I'm a winner. I got everything here to offer. Everybody else is a beginner. I do more than talk, yeah, I deliver. Don't worry about me cause I'm a giver. Daddy, I'll do anything so I can make you mine. Can't get you out my sight. Take me to paradise. My name, your favorite line. Calling me on the flame. Don't ever have to try. Come let me be your guy. And if you're down to ride, follow me, I'm the way. Can't get enough. You get me stuck. Set the mood, I make you feel right. Take a chance and come roll the dice. Hope you're landing on me tonight. Might as well let our hearts collide. Set the mood, I make you feel right. Take a chance and come roll the dice.
Okay, so I don't like how my hair is looking. Let me see. But we are going to the Garlington restaurant. Garlington BISTRO. It's just here actually. This is us leaving. Okay, let me just show you. It's just a walk, it's right here.
Hope you're landing on me tonight. Might as well let our hearts collide. Set the mood, I'll make you feel right. Take a chance and come roll the dice. Hope you're landing on me tonight. Might as well let our hearts collide. Set the mood, I'll make you feel right. Take a chance and come roll the dice. Hope you're landing